It's the 4th of July and we are celebrating Independence Day. Come on in for a brief peek. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today we are celebrating Independence Day. And I thought it would be nice just to bring you in to get just a little capsule of what it's like when we get together for the holiday. And we don't do anything special. We do what most other American families do, and that's cook out on the grill. And we gather around the table and just enjoy ourselves. And I thought I would just offer you a brief capsule of that day. So let's take a look. So here's my husband putting the meat on the grill. I'll back up so you can see him. Wave at them, honey. Wave at YouTube. So he's got quite an array of things on the grill today. We've got turkey burgers and chicken brats and then chicken wings. My son and daughter-in-law don't eat pork, so we're trying to be sensitive to their dietary needs. So we've got some things to cover that. So, and it is hot, hot, hot. What's the temperature today, dear?
90.
So it's 90 degrees now, but who knows what it's going to get to. So we've got our patio set up. It's somewhat overcast, so it looks cooler than what it actually is. But we got the patio set up. We brought the umbrella out, and you can see my husband's got his speaker there ready to go. I'm surprised he doesn't have the music blasting already. So here you can see I've got the table already, and actually you've seen this table before, because it's the same table that I set for my 4th of July tablescape. I got a wedding invitation laying there. I wanted to show it to someone when they got here, so that's why it's laying there. And I'm getting the counter all ready. So I've got some additional plates that are set here and some additional mason jars with straws. These straws are just so sweet. I got them at Target in their party shop. They were $3 for a pack of 20. And I am going to put my buns in this basket here. Right now they're just here on the counter, but I'll be putting them in this basket in just a minute. And oh, I've got a new book on CD that I've been listening to by David Baldacci, The Last Mile. So I'm listening to that while I'm getting things ready. Over here on the stove, I've got a pan of grilling beans, the brown sugar and bourbon. Over here, the Mackenzie creamed corn is ready. And the buns are ready, and there are the condiments, extra table settings. And I don't know if I showed this or not, but here I've got some chicken brats, some chicken wings, turkey burgers, and barbecued ribs. You don't have those turkey burgers and barbecued ribs on the same pan, do you? So we are all ready for company, just waiting for the doorbell to ring. I thought I'd come sit out on the porch for a second while I was waiting on company and just kind of reminisce just a little bit about 4th of July. 4th of July has always been one of my favorite holidays. And as a kid, we would always get together and we would go over to my Uncle Junior's house and we would cook out in his backyard. And I remember he had this big black and brown German Shepherd named Fury. But I loved going to Uncle Junior's for 4th of July, and we always got new clothes for holidays. So for 4th of July, we'd get a new summer outfit, and it wasn't anything spectacular or great. Typically a new pair of shorts and top, but a new outfit to wear for the holiday. And that was just always fun. Now, I didn't continue that for my children, but it was just fun when I was a kid, just knowing that the holiday was coming and we would get a new outfit. And then I would love fireworks, sparklers, and all that kind of thing. And then we would pile in the car, and Mom and Dad would take us downtown or over to the park, and we would watch the fireworks, and it was just so much fun. So of course we took our kids to see the fireworks when they were younger. We continued that tradition, and we would do the cookout thing, that kind of thing, when they were little. So now we don't have any little ones here. My oldest son and his wife should be coming over, and their grandson. But my other two children and their families live out of state, so they won't be here today. But my mom and my sisters and my cousin and my husband's brother, we're expecting them to drop in. So we'll have a small gathering, but it will be fun. So here's my question for you. What's your tradition for the 4th of July holiday? What do you like to do? And for my friends in the UK and Australia, I know you guys have the 4th of July, and to you it's not Independence Day, it's just another day. For us, it's a big deal. It is our Independence Day, and we celebrate it. And then for those of you who are thinking, you know what, it may be Independence Day, but y'all got some stuff going on over there y'all need to be concerned about. And that is true, and I am, and we are concerned about those things too. But I don't want to at least take away from the progress that we have made, some of the things that we do have to celebrate. We're not going to throw out the baby with the bathwater. So I will remember and retain those good things that we have to celebrate for today as I continue to move forward and work toward the things that still need some work. You can hear fireworks in the background. I mean, it's not yet 2:30, but people are already shooting them off. And it's going to be a fun day. And hot as heck. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. So that is it for now from Denise Jordan. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I am going to shut it down and get a nice cool glass of lemonade. And when the company starts to come in, I'll get a few capsules. Or Candace, I should say. So I'll see you later. Bye. And let me show you my entryway. So when people come in today, they're greeted by this sweet little vignette that's just here at the entryway. This little slice of Americana. This will just kind of greet them at the door, and then they'll come on into the kitchen, and they'll see the counter and the table set up. So I'm pretty pleased with the way my patriotic holiday decorations have turned out.
Hello. How are you?
Oh my Lord.
There's my beautiful daughter-in-law, one of them. And then here's my handsome little grandson. He's eating.
She's recording.
Say hi, Jaden.
Look at the camera.
And who's that with you? Oh,
No, not me. Yeah.
oh, Simba is with him. See, there's Simba right there. He's taking care not to let Simba fall or get any
He
burps.
loves the Lion King.
And then the guys are in the other room fiddling with speakers and TVs, and I don't know what they're doing. So now it's the end of the day. Everyone's gone. The kitchen's cleaned up, and the house is put back to normal. And I am ready to call it a night. So now here's a question for you. What did you do to celebrate Independence Day? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I do videos about cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty. And we really have lots of fun over here. And I think you would enjoy what we do. So if you're interested in learning about those things, subscribe. But certainly check out the show notes in the description box below, because I'll link my favorite gardening and house cleaning solutions there. And some of the links are affiliate links, so when you click on them, I do receive a little bit of compensation, so thank you for that. And that just helps to support the channel. So, I'm going to call it a night. I'll see you in the next video.